Guys, most affiliate marketers make one big mistake. They send people directly to their affiliate link. If the visitor doesn't buy, they're gone forever. In this video, I'll show you how to collect leads first using Systema.io so you can build an email list and increase your chances of making affiliate sales. Step 1. Log into your Systema.io dashboard. Click Funnels, then click Create. Give your funnel a name like Affiliate Lead Funnel. Select Build an Audience as your funnel goal and click Create. This creates an opt-in page and a thank you page. Step 2. Open your opt-in page and click Edit Page. Choose a clean template. Instead of promoting your affiliate product immediately, offer something valuable for free, such as a checklist, a PDF guide, a cheat sheet, a free mini course, a resource list. Use a headline like, "Download my free affiliate marketing starter guide." This gives visitors a good reason to share their email address. Step 3. Add an opt-in form asking for the visitor's name and email address. Keep the page simple. Remove unnecessary sections and focus on one goal, getting the visitor to sign up. Use a strong button such as Get Instant Access or Download Free Guide. A clean page usually converts better than a cluttered one. Step 4. Next, open your thank you page. Thank visitors for signing up and provide access to the free resource you promised. Below that, introduce your recommended affiliate product. For example, if you want to build your own funnels like this, I personally recommend Systema.io. Add a button linking to your affiliate offer. This approach provides value before making a recommendation. Step 5. Preview your funnel and test it yourself. Enter your email address, check that the thank you page appears correctly, and make sure your affiliate button works. Once everything is working, you're ready to start driving traffic. And that's it. You've created a simple lead generation funnel that helps you collect leads before promoting affiliate products.